Good morning, folks. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2019 Bighorn 3160 EL. This is a great coach. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features inside, and then we'll come back to the exterior. Nice aluminum 4-step entry with the large grab handle. This is a beautiful coach. Notice your coffered ceiling inside. It's got some very nice detail to it. This particular coach has your electric full-on residential refrigerator with ice and water in the door. It's a Frigidaire. And of course it's still packed, it just came into inventory. You've got your convection oven, microwave convection oven, the nice Furion gas grill top, and nice larger Furion gas oven. Nice Banky drawers right here. With storage underneath, and actually, check this out, a nice pull-out rack for your garbage can. Nice double stainless steel, large residential grade kitchen sink. Solid counter surfaces, of course. Now this is nice. It actually, you have your washer and dryer down here in the kitchen area. Your Dyson vacuum stores right there. You've got a pantry here. Your control panel sits right in here. Another set of drawers, some more storage down below. You have your nice, I think this is a 50-inch big screen TV, AM FM with a DVD player built in. Your tuner, storage above, for say some movies. This is nice, a pull-out desk, so that you have a desk in the coach, which is always nice to have. It's got the built-in fireplace, which is a heater. Very nice. It's got the Thomas Paine theater seating. You've got your nice sofa here, which is a trifold sleeper. Now this has got the dual shade MCD blinds with your sunscreen and your blackout shade. Of course, all LED lighting. You've got 2 permanent chairs along with the table that extends out and comes with 2 extra chairs, folding chairs that you store up in the closet. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs here. It's got a nice sized bathroom. Once again, solid surface countertops. Big shower with a seat in it. A nice vanity. Place for linens up here. Porcelain toilet, of course. Now this particular coach is unique. It actually, a lot of people ask for a queen bed rather than the king bed because it gives you so much more room to walk around it. So this particular coach has the queen bed. You've got your second TV right here, a bank of drawers right down here for clothes, a little more storage over here, some shelves, and then a nice full-size wardrobe back here. Nice shoe rack in the back. And it's nice because your washer and dryer doesn't take up any room up here. It's down in the living area. It's got windows on each side of the bed for cross ventilation, very nice. A little cubby here to keep for a nightstand. Dual air conditioners. Once again, it's a whisper quiet air conditioner, so you can hold a conversation without yelling or watch TV without having to turn that volume way up. It's very nice to have the whisper quiet air, and like I said, it is dual air conditioners. Let's go outside and take a look at some of the features on the exterior. Of course, all hydraulic on your slides and your landing gears. It does have the 6-point level up system. It's got the nice storage area. Got dual propanes, one on each side of the coach. 12-gallon gas electric hot water heater. Exterior speakers, frameless windows. Your other propane cylinder is right here. And your second entry to your to your storage compartments right here. Your auto leveling system is control panel right here. Of course, it has your docking station with your bypass for your hot water heater. Your gray, your black tank dump valves are located right here. All your cable and satellite, you just bring right up through there and hook it up. It's great. You have a little extra storage right here in this compartment behind your TV. You've got your 50 amp cord is on a power reel, so it makes it real convenient to plug in and unplug and not have to deal with that huge heavy cord. It's on an electric reel. You just push a button and boom, you're ready to go. Now the Bighorn offers a rear fiberglass back cap, very nice. A ladder to maintain your roof. It is set up, it doesn't come standard, but it's set up to put a backup camera if you so desire to do that. Folks, this is the 2019 Bighorn 3160EL. We've got a great selection right now of coaches in stock, many more big countries, Bighorns. We've got a great selection right now. Love to have you come down and take a look. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me on my personal cell phone at 541-521-8914. I'd love to spend some time talking. Thank you.